In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Android phone to Windows using Phone Link. This is super convenient because it literally lets you view messages, photos, and calls directly on your PC. But if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, go ahead and click search down in the bottom of your screen on your PC or laptop and go ahead and type in phone link and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is select Android, obviously, and then it's going to pop up with a pin just like so. Make sure you go ahead and enter in that pin. After you do that, it's going to pull up a QR code. Essentially, go ahead and bring up your phone and go ahead and scan this QR code with the camera app. Tap the pop-up link that appears. You'll be taken to the Play Store. Tap install on link to Windows and wait for it to finish. And once installed, open up that app on your phone and go back to the camera and scan the QR code again. Tap the link, press continue, then enter the code that is going to be shown on your PC to confirm the connection. And if Phone Link does close on your computer, don't worry, just open up Phone Link again from the search bar and you can skip those extra setup prompts if prompted. At the top of the app, you'll now see options for calls, photos, and messages. It's super convenient. But that is it. Your Android phone is now going to be connected to Windows using Phone Link. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.